Hi traders, greetings. So today is 30th of September 2020. Live review the trading for Nasdaq challenge. Been challenged by other traders, and yeah, to prove that my indicator also works well for US session and for the market Nasdaq. So we will see whether how long my trading will carry on. Day 3 for my trading day. The first day and second day. Second day is no trading. The first day is minus $42. You later on. But for today we have this is the third day, so we do start the capital or the equity with 1,958 as a startup equity, which is this from the balance trading from last week, and then withdraw the money over with $1,958 as a starter. And for today we did manage to get $505 for the mini Nasdaq. I do trade with 10 lot position size. So as you can see, this 10 lot position size, and yep, and the total profit is 505 US dollar. So the return for today, should be around 26%, 26.74%, which is based from the last equity we have, which is this is the last equity we have based from the day one after the losses of $42. And we have the final equity as for today, the gross without deduct the commission and brokerage fee. So 2,393. This is the gross. The final net amount will be tomorrow. I will live in the separate video. So today profit should be about 505 scalping with 10 lots micro size from US session. So let's go and review the chart. All right, so we do trade for Nasdaq. It was a good one today. So there's multiple entry in the lower time frame, which is 5 minutes, because don't want to risk much, because Nasdaq is quite volatile. So try to reduce the risk, and there's a lot of opportunity because this is a time frame 5 minutes from US session. So the trade starts from 10 a.m. onwards, which is the New York time. I'm choosing the time of 10 a.m. So this is the first signal appeared. This is the buy stop one tick higher than this candle, and we did go along until it reached the 11,500 of the pivot line, which is pivot standard line of the resistance line. So this is quite a good trade. So although there's short sell position as the second signal appeared, but it didn't break through, and we are quite safe for this one. So if the breakthrough, then I have to consider to exit the market. But we have a good entry from this one, and then let the price go getting higher, and it managed to get this 505 US dollar in profit. So let's review for the recent overall. So for overall, we do start with the $19,058. Sorry, and $1,958.05, and we did have a losses on the first day. I didn't download the statement. I will show in the next, maybe tomorrow video. I will download the statement together with this 30th September of trading. And then we have the ROE return on that day is the minus 2%, 2.17% to be precise. And the remaining is 1,188, which is the today's price. Sorry, the today equity. So then a profit of 505 US dollar, and the final is 2,393. Okay, so back to the chart, we can see that sorry, back to the platform to see that the final value is 2393 as expected, and the start value as I mentioned just now, which is 1888.75 cents. So this is based from the day one net equity we have. So just to prove that so far we still manage to get around 22.25 gross return. So we'll see how much today commission and brokerage. So I will update in the next video on the day 4 if we have a trading or if we have a good signal on the day 4. So still good at this moment. There's one loss and one win, so the winning rate is about 50% so far. So let's see how far this the trading may go. So please keep continuing watch and like this video, so you will get the notification about how I do update the trading of challenge from the Nasdaq market. So I will prove that the last 2 days from my statement. I haven't downloaded it yet. I will show it in the tomorrow video. Hopefully we have a trade tomorrow, not like yesterday we don't have a trade. So without a trade, so that means it's zero and no trading. Okay, it was clear that how we do scalping for your session under the Nasdaq. Nasdaq is a bit difficult market for me really, because in my previous day trading video I show you how I do day trading for S&P 500 and as well the Dow Jones futures market. So S&P 500 and Dow Jones is much more easier because the market is not too volatile compared to the Nasdaq, because in one candle you may have a multiple price movement, so it's quite dangerous. So that's why I use controllable risk. So I do choose to have a risk of 17%. So normally I prefer to use 25%, but for this one, so there could be error or maybe slippage during the trading, so I choose 17% and a buffer of 8%. All right, so I did choose each time I do the position sizing, I will use 17% as my risk from each trade. That's mean from each signal. So based from today, I'm entering a multiple entry from the same signal, so that's why did manage to get a bit more compared to the normal return we are supposed to get. All right, so this is from the 5 minutes chart. So I did enter exactly at the signal over here, and then yeah, for sure there's a pullback and could be another uh, opening or the stop loss of the short sell, but it's not fully recommended. So the best is to take this first signal and let it run. So you know, because the 17% is somewhere here as the risk, which is I'm acceptable for my current equity in the account. So I will not withdraw this equity for the long as I manage to get the good profit from this Nasdaq market. So the whole video for the next few days live, we do review on how I do the trading for Nasdaq market only. Okay, this is part of the challenge I received from my email from some traders to challenge my indicator to be work, whether it work for Nasdaq market or not. So this is one of the proof. This is the third day, day 3, day 1 and day 2 I didn't manage to go live. So yep, I think that's all. We'll see tomorrow. Hopefully we get the same result with a positive result as well, and yep, hope things goes well. So my platform as well already changed the setup a bit, so this means more on the Nasdaq. So I'm getting ready as well the mini Nasdaq on the right hand side here, in case my risk allow me to go for more than 10 position sizing of the micro, which is one lot. For example, 12 position sizing. So that means I will do one position sizing for the mini Nasdaq and two position sizing from the micro Nasdaq. So this is how I will do it. But for today, we do only for 10 position only from the micro Nasdaq December contract 2020. So yeah, so there's a multiple entry from this account, and we did manage to get a good profit. All right, traders, I think that's it for day three. So hope I can manage to keep up until maybe day 100, hopefully 5 months from now. So let's see. I will try not to withdraw the money. So we'll see how far it can go. With the capital start with 1,958.5 cents, and we'll see until then. All right, I think thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share below so you will get the notification. Thank you. Bye bye.